Hey everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. I wanted to bring you some information on this Navy federal relief loan. They just opened up for actual disaster assistance that's open now for the damage that was caused by the past couple of weeks with the winter weather and the winter storms. So there's FEMA relief declared disaster areas that Navy Federal have opened up this loan due for the winter storms. So this is a loan that may end soon. So you want to jump in on this as soon as possible for this emergency relief loan. If you are interested in content just like this on how to get loans, how to improve your credit, and even just different types of ways of improving your credit wherever you are on your credit journey, or leveraging lines of credit to make passive income, consider subscribing to the channel and hitting the notification bell and the like button on this video. So we're going to jump into it. Navy Federal have special assistant packages, and here's the layout of ways that if you've been affected by the winter storm disaster, what they're offering. They're offering emergency relief loans. They also are offering special credit card options for new and current card holders, assistance on existing loans, free express delivery of credit cards, debit cards, and checks. So this is what emergency relief loans, that part of it, entail. So you can borrow up to $5,000 for related damages or evacuation expenses, up to 24 months at 6% APR. Existing loans, if you already have a loan with us, you may be able to defer, postpone your payments. For assistance, please call 1-888-842-6328. They also are offering emergency relief for credit card holders. So assistance for new card holders. You can get a zero in intro APR on purchases for 12 months. On the Platinum, our lowest rate card. After that, a variable rate between 5.99% and 18%. Mention promo code 830. So basically with Navy Fed, the Platinum card, you can come in because the Platinum card is designed for transfers of balances. If you want, currently have a high balance transfer, that's what this card is designed for, and it has the lowest APR. So they're saying if you mention this promo code, if you're applying for this card, you can get a 0% APR for 12 months. So that's an excellent deal. Also, assistance for existing card holders, that if you're an existing card holder, you can call Navy Fed and you can ask about assistance. So they can work with you on your current cards if you might not be able to make your payment due to that winter storm and the winter disaster. They also have other resources. You can find an open Navy Federal branch. They have that information, and also the FEMA disaster assistant. They have that link so you can find out more information. Now, what Navy Fed with these special packages, they are looking in particular to loan to people in Texas that suffered damage from that winter storm, Oklahoma, and also Louisiana. Now, if you are a member of Navy Fed, if you're not familiar with Navy Fed, this is a savings and loan. and you have to be a member in order to access this. And pretty much in the industry, a lot of people know that Navy Fed, you have to be connected to the military, be active military veteran, or have a spouse, relative, family member, or roommate, or certain ties in order to become a member. Now, I do have a video. I will include it in the link below on the backdoor ways that you can become a member to Navy Federal. Because if you're not familiar with this institution is known for giving out large credit card um, lines of credit up to $23,000. Actually, I had a client that I put a post up, and he gave a testimonial. He was in the process of foreclosure, and then maybe about 4 months out, 6 months, he worked with me as a personal client. We pitched him through Navy Fed, and he was able to get a $23,000 credit card. So Navy Fed is a great institution, and but him himself, he was a veteran. So you can get into Navy Fed if you have ties, even if your grandparents that is passed away, served in the military, you can be eligible for a membership. So I will put that link for the back doorways. Also, if you are looking for ways to clean up your credit, we have letter packages at my website that will be in the description. And if you have a number of hard inquiries, no matter how good your credit is, you can be denied for credit. So we give you free hard inquiry removal packages at our website. So if you have any questions or comments, please put it below in the video. Also, if you want to contact me directly, you go to my website. Make sure you guys email me there. It's a lot of scammers that will put responses in the comments and polls. As YouTubers nowadays, make sure that you respond to me in the comments. And also, if I reply to your comment, I will put the love button. They would not have access or anything into my description. So keep that in mind. I hope this was informational, and I hope you enjoy your day.